Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. First toy is a paper ball launcher. The materials that you need are a balloon, a tube, paper, and a scissor. First, you will cut the balloon at the top with a scissor. Make sure it's big enough to fit around the tube. Next, put it around the tube so it can fit properly so it won't come off when you try to shoot the paper balls. If you can't do it, stretch it out a lot. Next, tie a hole around the place where you blow into. Crumple the paper into a ball so it won't break apart when you try to shoot it out. Make sure it's tight. Now crumple the second paper into a ball. Now you can play. Put a paper ball into the tube all the way down and then pull back on the balloon to shoot it out. Depending on how far you pull it back, it will go farther or not as far. The next thing you could do is make a ball levitate. All you need is a ping pong ball and a straw with a place where you could bend it. First, you bend the straw, then you put the ping pong ball on top of the straw. Blow really hard and balance the ball on top of the straw. Once you blow really hard, you can start to see the ball will not be on the straw anymore. It will be levitating. It's really hard to get the ball balanced on, so it may take a few tries like with me. Next is a spinning coin and a balloon. The only materials that you need are a coin and a balloon. Push the coin into the balloon. It will be difficult if you have a small balloon. Once it's in, you're ready to blow air into it. I use a pump to blow air into it, but you don't have to. You can use your mouth. Get it to the size you want it to be. Mine was a small balloon, so it's not as big. Next, spin the balloon around really fast, as it shows. And then you can start to see the coin is spinning in there.